Hi, in this video the students will discuss about a case study on solar collector. In this video they will discuss about what is renewable energy sources, what are different types of renewable energy sources, what are different types of solar collector, how the energy is derived from the solar collector, and finally advantages, disadvantages, and finally their applications of solar collector.
So hi, myself Elil. I am going to speak about the introduction to the renewable energy system. So what is renewable energy? It's an energy which is naturally created by ourselves or using any mechanisms or applications. So most of the renewable energy were used in industries to save the cost. So the list of renewable energies were solar is mainly used in every institutions and industries, and wind energy and geothermal and tidal and etc. So these are the mainly focused and they are cheaply available, and the governments were giving some funds to increase the usage of the renewable energy. So we should apply this, and mostly solar collectors were used in renewable energies.
As Phil said, we are going solar energy is some kind of renewable energy. In the renewable energy, the solar energy is collected by the solar collectors. The collector which is collecting the solar radiations are known as solar collector. And there are two types of collectors, flat and concentrated collectors. And the name itself, flat collectors. Flat collector means it's in the flat shape, which collects, which is most commonly used in small scale industries and homes to receive the sun radiation, and it changes the fluid to some kind of steam, and it is used to generate electricity. By this, the evacuated tube collectors are used. In the evacuated tube collectors, the water is filled in the evacuated tube collectors, and the radiations are absorbed, and those are changed into the steam, and it is used high efficiently in the. But it can be used in the large scale industries.
Next, non-concentrating collectors. So it couldn't make any sense compared to the concentrating collectors. So here the black observer plate and transparent sheets are being played. So from there the solar radiation. I mentioned that collectors which collect the solar energy, that is known as collector. So what are the components of flat solar collector? Means the metallic flat plate observer, which I mentioned it, and also the tubes or stands. The transparent background behind the glass sheet. Fiberglass insulation are also placed here. So these are the main things. And there's a thermal insulation being done under the fluid tubes. So these are the main components of non-concentrating collectors. Okay, concentrating collectors. Concentrating collectors, they are three types, known as parabolic graph, dish collectors, as well as Fresnel reflectors. So okay, parabolic collectors, in the name itself will be like reflectors that sunlight onto the receiver tube, the heat transfer fluid, which they have been mentioned, like they are often used in large scale solar power plants, and both in thermal as well as the photovoltaic things. So the second thing, the name itself is a dish collector. Compared to like parabolic, it will be like the shape of parabolic, but the dish is completely like sort of sphere as well as circular thing. So Fresnel reflectors is a flat mirror arranged in segments like 2 to 3 meters or 2 to 1 centimeter. Like sort of arrangement will be plain. So these were the concentrating collectors. So what's the difference between concentrating and non-concentrating means? So it will be in concentrating completely, it will be focused on sunlight. Like directly. As you have mentioned, the collectors which partially will be directly towards the sunlight, but it is not up to the concentrating collectors. That is known as non-concentrating collectors.
Advantages. So, this advantages of solar collectors are mainly used in the renewable energies, like for recycling the source of energy, sun, and unlike the fossil fuels, the use of fossil fuels, we are using the source of sun. Then it is the cost saving one. It reduces the electric cost comparatively and to the electricity, and low maintenance. It has very low maintenance cost, and it is very environment friendly. Like it does not harm the society, and environment, so it is very environmental friendly, and it has no green gas pollution and so on. And the drawbacks of this solar collectors are like initial cost. It is very high initial cost, and dependence of the sun. It depends on the sunshine, and applications will be like what it is used in the water heater, space heating, and transportation as well. Thank you.